Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, I am Tanaya Zunjarpatil and I am student of first year of Diploma Civil Engineering of Zeal College of Polytechnics, Nare, Pune. I have done this project of elasticity versus temperature. During the project, I was very much guided by Professor Sandeep Vakzaure sir. First point of my presentation is what is elasticity? Elasticity, ability of deformed material's body to return to its original shape and size when the force causing the deformation are removed. A body with this ability is said to behave elasticity. Third point of my presentation is abstract. The objective. The purpose of my project is to determine the effect of different temperature on elasticity of rubber. Rubber comes from and it collected in one way. Natural rubber is taken from a tree called Havabarylins, which originated in Amazon rainforest. In 1876, H.A. Wickham brought seeds of the Hava trees from Brazil to Kew Gardens, which was near London. The seeds were then given to India, Caledonian, British Malaya, and other countries. The tree taken about few years to grow from a seeding to a point that it can start to produce a rubber. It has a lifespan of about 25 to 30 years. Fourth point of my presentation is purpose, to compare the height of rubber band when stretched before and when stretched before and after exposed to various temperature. Fifth point of my presentation is hypothesize. I hypothesize that if the rubber band is stretched after being exposed to hotter temperature, the height of its stretch will be bigger than after it has been exposed to colder temperature. Sixth point of my presentation is materials. First, rubber band custom bands. Second, height. Third, hot water. Fourth, pot. Fifth, refrigerator. Then ruler of 30 centimeter. And then hook. Seventh point of my presentation is procedure. First, take out rubber band from the box and group them into 3 for 3 trials at each temperature. Second, place the first 3 rubber bands in a room temperature for 10 minutes. This will be the main temperature for the experiment. Third, take out rubber band from the 3 and cut it at a point. Fourth, take a hook and attach to it edges a surface with tape so that it does not fall. Fifth, tie one end of the rubber band and attach it to the hook and attach the other end to a weight. Sixth, wait till the band stop moving and it's still, then measure the band after stretched with a 30 centimeter ruler. Point 7. Record the height and write it on sheet of paper so that you can't forget. Then take out the next 2 rubber bands from the room temperature setting and repeat the steps. 9th, repeat step 2 and 8 for the rubber bands in boiling water and refrigerator. 10th, record the average height of the rubber bands for all 3 trials for each temperature setting. 11. Compare the average height of the bands when they were placed in refrigerator and boiling water to the bands placed in room temperature. Observe the difference you can see in the height stretch of rubber bands for all of above trials. Seventh point of my presentation is observation. This is my observation table. First, room temperature. Height is 13.2 cm, 13 cm, 12.5 cm. Average height is 12.9 cm. Second, freezer. 11 cm, 10.5 cm, 11.5 cm. Average height is 11 cm. Third, boiling water. Height is 18 cm, 15.5 cm, 16.5 cm, and average height is 16.66 cm. Eighth point of my presentation is conclusion. In conclusion, rubber bands when placed in warm temperature stretch more, but when a rubber bands in placed in cold temperature, the rubber bands will stretch less. I hypothesized that the rubber bands would stretch more when heated and less when cold. That is exactly what happened. The average height of bands when heated was much higher than when they cooled.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.